She sang beautifully during the concert. He speaks English fluently. The car stopped suddenly at the red light. They walked quietly through the forest. She answered the question confidently. He drives his car carefully on icy roads. The children played happily in the park. They finished the race quickly. She read the book slowly to savor every word. He solved the math problem easily. She smiled warmly at her friend. He laughed loudly at the joke. They waited patiently for the bus. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. She waved goodbye sadly as the train departed. He looked at the painting critically. They argued loudly in the next room. She danced gracefully on the stage. He climbed the mountain slowly but steadily. She spoke softly so as not to wake the baby. They ate their dinner quickly. He typed the report efficiently. She walked carefully to avoid slipping on the ice. They arrived late to the party. She explained the concept clearly to the students. He worked hard on the project all night. They ran excitedly toward the finish line. She sang the song beautifully. He solved the puzzle easily. They played together happily in the park. She spoke confidently during the presentation. He drives carefully to avoid accidents. They waited patiently for their turn. The music played softly in the background. She smiled warmly at her old friend. He laughed loudly at the comedy show. They debated fiercely about the topic. She danced gracefully at the ballet. He climbed the mountain slowly and cautiously. She whispered softly to avoid being heard. They ate dinner quickly before the movie. He typed the report efficiently and accurately. She walked carefully on the uneven path. They arrived late due to traffic. She explained the rules clearly to the players. He worked diligently on the research. They ran excitedly to catch the bus. She sang the song beautifully at the concert. He completed the task easily. They played happily together all afternoon.